Living in an area with wild weather, high winds, torrential rain, hail the size of golf balls, you've probably heard about fortified roofs. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what a fortified roof is, the different certification levels, the real benefits, and what the process looks like. Hey everyone, I'm Cody, owner of Wise Builders Roofing and Renovations. I've spent the last 8 years in the roofing business, and I've overseen tons of fortified roofing projects. So let's dive in. What is a fortified roof anyway? Simply put, a fortified roof is a super strong roofing system designed to protect your home from severe weather. It's developed by the Insurance Institute for Business and Home Safety, IBHS, and it's built to withstand high winds, heavy rain, and even hail. These roofs are especially popular in hurricane-prone coastal areas, tornado zones, and places with heavy snowfall. And here's a little teaser. Fortified roofs have a fantastic added bonus that I'll reveal a bit later in the video. So what makes these roofs so tough? Here are the key features. A sealed roof deck. This is crucial. The roof deck is sealed to prevent water from getting in if the shingles blow off. Think of it like a second line of defense. This is done with special peel and stick membranes or a tape and underlaminate system. Stronger fasteners. Forget standard nails. Fortified roofs use ring shank nails, which grip much tighter and resist being pulled out by strong winds. Enhanced edge protection. The edges of your roof are the most vulnerable. Fortified roofs beef up these edges with metal flashing and strong adhesives to stop wind from getting under the roofing material. Impact-resistant shingles or metal roofing. We're talking about heavy-duty stuff here. High wind-rated Class 4 impact-resistant shingles or even metal roofing, all rigorously tested to withstand extreme weather. Improved roof-to-wall connection. The roof is anchored to the walls with hurricane straps or clips. This creates a much stronger connection and prevents the entire roof from being ripped off in high winds. The Fortified Roof program has 3 levels. First, Fortified Roof focuses on strengthening just the roof itself. Next is Fortified Silver. It takes it up a notch, adding stronger windows, doors, and garage doors. And last, Fortified Gold, the ultimate protection, reinforces the entire home, creating a continuous load path for maximum wind resistance. Why go for a fortified roof? The benefits are huge, especially if you live in a storm-prone area. Increased protection dramatically reduces the risk of damage from hurricanes, tornadoes, and hail. Improved home value. A fortified roof is a major selling point and can boost your property value. Energy efficiency. Some of these roofing materials are also more energy efficient, saving you money on your bills. Peace of mind. This is priceless. You'll go to sleep better knowing your home is built to withstand whatever Mother Nature throws at it. And remember that bonus I mentioned? Lower insurance premiums. That's right. A fortified roof can often save you money on your insurance. Interested in getting a fortified roof? It's important to work with a qualified roofing contractor like us. We'll assess your current roof, recommend the necessary upgrades, and handle all the documentation required for certification. This is usually done during a complete roof replacement or new construction. Once it's all done, you'll get a certificate you can submit to your insurance company. Now you know what makes a fortified roof, but is your roof up to the challenge? We can inspect your roof and give you the best options to upgrade before the next big storm hits. Make the wise choice. Call Wise Builders Roofing and Renovations today. And do you want to know if your insurance will cover your roof replacement? Check out our next video, 5 steps to actually getting your roof replaced by insurance. Thanks for watching.